Good morning YouTube, it's your best friend Bethany and welcome back to my channel. Today is the next day of Vlogmas. This morning I just got some work done. I am going to do a little bit more work later, but I just came back from CVS. I went and got my pictures picked up. They've been there for like a month, but I had a disposable camera from right before I moved from Santa Barbara to Kansas City, and I just got it developed. I will say, I don't think that I have a knack or a talent when it comes to disposable cameras, the art of disposable cameras. The best pictures actually were taken by my roommate, but that's okay. But I'm gonna take you along my day. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit more work. I'm gonna edit a previous video. I might work out. I don't know if I will. I'm kind of not feeling it today. And then I'm gonna make some banana bread, some vegan banana bread, so I'm very excited. And I thought I'd just show you some of the things I eat today too for some plant-based meal ideas. If you enjoy this video, definitely like it down below, leave a comment of anything else you want to see, and subscribe. My goal is to hit 200 subscribers by the end of the year. It's December, we're coming up close. Join the Beth Friend fam. Thank you and enjoy the video.